Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make round corners in Photoshop. So first step you need to do is to open Photoshop. Once it is open, here you can see I selected an image. First you need to open that layer. Then you need to go on to the layer tab and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on vector mask and click on reveal all. Okay, once you done that you simply need to select here rectangle tool and select pixel 150. Make sure that it is 150. If you want more you can select more than that, and after that you need to change from shape to path. I already changed. Then you need to select that like this and come here and make a shape. Here you can see. So this is a process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.